Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today is the day you guys have been waiting for. I know we've been talking about it in our videos the past couple weeks about something exciting coming up, and today is the day where our FunnelPrime is finally live, and you guys have to check it out. It is going to be the next biggest thing in ClickFunnels and helping you guys optimize your funnels and just taking away that technical stress that comes with building ClickFunnels. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the back end, give you a little sneak peek of what it's going to look like, as well as talk a little bit about what to expect if you are in FunnelPrime. So let's hop over here, and this is FunnelPrime, essentially, not really. But so FunnelPrime is a place where you can go and you can submit tasks. So kind of like within the backend or within ClickFunnels, when you need help, you can go and go to that little bot in the corner and type out everything you need, and then they will send you a little video on how to fix it or directions on how to fix it. Very similar to that, except you don't have to fix it. All you have to do is come in and write a little description of the issue you're having in your ClickFunnels account and send us a little video maybe, and we'll take care of it from there. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. We'll send you a message back when your task is done, and that's pretty much it, guys. So let's hop into some different tasks that you could submit. So you could submit a technical fix, domain setup if you needed help doing that, strategy consulting if you just wanted somebody's professional opinion on the funnel you're building or what type of funnel, content updates as simple as image swaps or text change or anything like that, doing an A/B test creation, and then also setting up integrations for you guys. So it's super cool. There's also other. So basically anything you need help with, anything you don't want to do and or don't know how to do inside of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels 1 Classic and ClickFunnels 2.0, by the way, both of them. You just have to submit your task and that's it. We take it from there. So you can use this for one of two different things. So if you are somebody that just hates ClickFunnels is just a pain, you're not super technically savvy, something like that, this is great for you because you're not going to be wasting your time doing something that you shouldn't be doing. You should be focusing on your business. You shouldn't be working inside of ClickFunnels. So this gives you the opportunity to put it off on somebody else and just let them take care of it for you. And or also, this is amazing for optimizing your funnels, guys. You do not want your funnels to just be sitting there doing nothing. That's not helpful for you guys. So you can come in, and if you don't have a content update that you need done or you're not really building a new funnel, you can still use your tasks. You can start running A/B tests every week. Just come in and be like, hey, run an A/B test on this funnel, on this funnel page, and we'll come in and we'll do it for you. That way we can constantly be optimizing your funnels and making sure that your opt-in rates are improving, your sales are improving, and your funnels are overall just getting better. That's the goal, guys. We want to help you guys grow your funnels because what we've seen is a lot of people, they build a funnel and then they launch it and then they just leave it. And that's awesome, but you can always improve your funnel and just get those higher opt-in rates and things like that. So that's what we're here to do for you guys. All right, so let's hop into the back end, and let me just give you a little sneak peek. So I'm going to hop into FunnelPrime Plus. All right, guys, and this is the back end of your membership. This is where you'll come to submit tasks. If you need a new funnel build, it's not included, but this is where you would come. You kind of just learn all about us here. So you will always start off, filling out an onboarding form for us. We have a lot of directional videos to help you navigate this area. But the main thing, of course, is the task support. So if you click get a task support, or get task support, excuse me, we have all these videos on different kinds of tasks. And all you have to do is click this little button and talk to our Boptimus Prime here and submit whatever kind of task you need, and we take it from there. Our turnaround is around average about 24 hours. That's what we're pushing for. So that's kind of it, guys. We are super excited to finally have this go live. So please go look in the comments. We have a link where you can learn more about FunnelPrime. This is for you. If you think it's not, it is. It's for optimizing your funnels, um, improving your sales, improving your opt-in rates, as well as taking away that technical stress that everybody hates. So please go check it out. We're super excited to be offering this to everyone. 14-day free trial. You get a 14-day free trial. So don't forget that. Go check it out, and I will talk to you guys next time.